welcome back to another vlog. Happy Tuesday. Right now I'm about to get my hair done. My hair appointment does not start until 3:30. It is 3:20, so we made it here 10 minutes early, but as y'all can see, it's raining, so that's another reason why I left early, because I didn't know how bad traffic was going to be. So we made it here early. I'm getting 8 stitch braids put in. Me and my sister will be going on a cruise this weekend. We just did a 3-day cruise. We're going to be going on Margaritaville at sea. We've never been on a Margaritaville cruise before. We heard it's a booze cruise, so we in there. Okay, so that's where we're going for about 3 or 4 days. We leave Friday morning, like we're getting on a flight, leaving here from Atlanta, flying over to Palm Beach, and then we get on the cruise that same day, because my sister works late the day before the cruise. So yeah, we're just gonna get on a flight the morning of, just praying everything will work out with the flight. We are boarding on Friday. We won't be back until Monday, and then once we get back on Monday, I have to get ready for me, Bay, and Trent's cruise. Bay and Trent are not coming with me on this cruise. It's just gonna be me and my sister. That's it. That's all. They are staying home. Trent will be with my mom, and then Bay will be at home by herself. But yeah, my mom just wanted to keep Trin that weekend, so me and my sister come back Monday, and then me, Bay, and Trin have a cruise on that following Saturday or Sunday. We'll be going on a 7-day carnival cruise. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about my hair. I hope my hair can last that long. Like I said, I'm getting 8 stitch braids, so I'm praying that they last that long. We booked that carnival cruise last minute. We booked that cruise like on Saturday, Sunday this past weekend. So we booked it quick. We really just wanted to do something just to get away and just have a vacation. We haven't took Trent anywhere this year, so that's another reason why I wanted to go ahead and book something. We went ahead and just booked the cruise on a whim, y'all. So yeah, we'll be going for 7 days, but me and my sister, we just did like a 3 to 4 day Margaritaville cruise. So that's why I'm really getting my hair done right now. And then the lady that's doing my hair, she's gonna wash my hair. She's gonna give me a treatment before she braids. I really need that. I really need that. So that's why my hair look all busted up right now, because she's gonna wash it. She's gonna do all the things to it. When she told me she could do all that, I was like, oh, count me in, because it's rare that you find a braider that's gonna wash and treat your hair. Like, it's just rare you find those these days. But I just wanted to hop on and just, you know, bring y'all along with me. Y'all are about to get a lot of vlogs these next few weeks, all right, with the trips that we have coming up. I'm trying to catch up with everything. I will try to have a vlog up tonight or either in the morning for y'all for like our Virgin Voyages cruise. So y'all go check that out if y'all haven't watched that yet. That's just, you know, me, you know, going over the things for the Virgin Voyages cruise. I did a little clips in that, so go watch that if you haven't watched it. I'm about to go in here and get ready to get my hair done, y'all. I just remembered, I don't know if I have an umbrella in here. Yeah, I got one over there, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and get my hair done. I was going to get my nails done. As y'all can see, my nails need to be done. Y'all, I don't know why the gel has peeled off. I went to a new place that I have never went to before, but I know not to go back because I don't know what that is. And I've only had these nails on for like maybe about almost 2 weeks now, and it peeled. Like, it literally peeled the gel off. Like, let me show y'all the other hand. I'm trying not to cover up the lens, but this nail too, like both of those nails and these are starting to peel, and they kind of looked sloppy in the first place anyway. So I'm not going back there. I'm gonna go to a new place. I'm gonna tell them to soak these off and just give me some fresh nails, because I don't know what they did with these. I mean, they lasted nail wise, so I don't know, they may not have to take them off, but they're gonna have to. I gotta go to a new place to check out some new gel, because I don't know what they did. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and get my hair done, and I will catch up with y'all after. All right, y'all, so I am done with my hair. This is how it looks. As y'all see, it has stopped raining. This is how my hair looks, y'all. I really love it. I love it a lot. I told her to leave me out a little bit of edges. She asked me if I wanted some edges left out. I said a little bit, just a little bit of edges left out. She gave me a hydration treatment. I'll put a little clip here. She did that because she wanted my hair to have moisture up under it. So she washed my hair, she gave me the treatment, and then she blow dried, and then she did my hair, y'all. She did a really good job. But right now I'm about to go to the beauty supply store, y'all, because there's a lip gloss I have been looking for. So I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart because there's just the little things I need for the trip. Tomorrow and Thursday I'm just gonna be getting work done. I need to get work done before I go. And then Thursday, I'm gonna get my nails done. I was gonna go today, y'all, but I just wanna go to Walmart and go ahead and go to the beauty supply store and just go home. We'll go get our nails done on Thursday before we go. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just show y'all this hair. Like, she did such a great job. I really, really love it. So I may start getting stitch braids, y'all. I may start getting stitch braids. This is my first time getting them and I really, really love them. So yeah, we may make this like a little staple or something. I don't know. I'm already in Walmart, y'all. I just went ahead and came to Walmart, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some travel size things. I definitely want this floss, so I'm gonna get this floss. Definitely need to go down here. So we're gonna get some Germex, and then I'm also gonna get a Lysol. This box is empty. They all down here in the bottom. So I'm gonna grab a little Lysol together. I'm gonna just throw these right here. Hey y'all, so I just got out of Walmart. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys what I got. I still need to go to the beauty supply store because Walmart got everything locked up and I could not find nobody in there to unlock the stuff. So I got this little skirt like I can put under my bathing suit, y'all. It's just black, like it's one size fit all. And you can like tie it. This bag, that lady stuffed all of my stuff in one bag. So I got a little toothbrush, y'all. I remembered at the last minute that I'm going on a flight and me and my sister did not buy bags. Like, we did not buy like a check bag. So we're bringing carry-ons. That's it, just a carry-on bag and our personal belonging bag. I forgot I need to get travel size stuff because I can't bring my lotion and my body spray and my body wash. So I had to get like these little travel size, what do you call these things? These little travel size little, so yeah, I got these little travel size. So I got one for like my creams to go in, because I use this cream that I use to take off my makeup, and then I need one for my edge control. So I got two of those, and then I got one for body spray, and then this one's gonna be for my hair oil. So we gotta still bring the hair oil. And then I got this for what I get this for, y'all? Soap, my bar soap, because I like to still bring antibacterial soap, and then I still like to bring my regular body wash. So I got this body wash, so the EOS body wash. They had it in travel size. I couldn't find the hand cream, so for hand cream I got, let me find it. I got this Vaseline Cocoa. I love Vaseline, y'all. Vaseline has been in my life since forever. I will always be a Vaseline girly. I worked with them, by the way. I worked a UGC deal with them, and for some it was shimmer Vaseline. And then I also got some native deodorizer. So we got some native deodorant. And then what else? Okay, so I got some Ducro. Of course, we need this for our braids, so this is gonna go in one of those spray bottles. I forgot I had got this, so I need to find something to put this in. I'm gonna see if the beauty supply got a small one, but if not, I may just have to pack a small bottle of perfume. This has to come with me because I spray to keep this to keep my hair hydrated, you know. It's rice water by As I Am, y'all. This stuff is really good. This stuff right here is really good when you got braids. So I got me some makeup remover wipes. So I do use this cream that I use to get my makeup off with, but just like as an extra wipe before I get in the shower, I like to use this makeup remover wipe. I think I showed y'all everything. Yeah, I showed y'all everything. I got some Germex. Y'all saw me when I grabbed that. And then I grabbed some Lysol. Yeah, I grabbed some Lysol. I don't see it in here though. I know I grabbed it. Y'all see me when I grabbed it. And I don't see it in this bag, but oh yeah, I got these Lysol wipes so I can wipe things down in the room. I also got this TheraBreath. This is my favorite mouthwash. And then I got some floss. So I got this purple floss. Gotta have my floss. I got some at home, but I like this little, I like the little travel thing. And then it comes with these little brushes on the side. So that's everything I got. Got a bar soap for the cruise, y'all. Like I told y'all, I like to use antibacterial soap plus the body wash. So next door to this beauty supply store, I need to get Trend some more rubber bands for her hair. And then I also need to get her some beads because I want to do her hair. And I'm gonna see if they got like a little bead box for me to put her hair supplies in, because her hair stuff is just all over the place in her bathroom. Okay, y'all, so I just got out of the beauty supply store. I did go in there and get a few things, not a lot. And I still ended up spending like 40 something in there. I got trendies. So I'm gonna do Trent's hair before I leave. I got her these little, we used to call these knockers. Is that what they still called, y'all? We used to call these things knockers. I don't know what they called, but I got her some knockers to put on her head. Then I got her some beads. I don't know what happened to all of her beads, but they disappeared. So I got her some more beads, and this time I got her some clear and silver. Then I got her some more rubber bands. She needed these, y'all. She needed some rubber bands. And then for me, I got me a mirror because I needed me a little handheld mirror, y'all. The phone don't be doing enough for me. So I need my mirror like when I do my lashes and when I do like my eyebrows. So I got some lashes as well. And then I got some lash glue. I've never tried those lashes and I've never tried this glue. So hopefully it works. And then I got me some more concealer because I need something for these brows. So I got this concealer. Now this is a shade darker than I normally go with. So we're gonna try this out. I still got some of my other one left over just in case, but I wanted to test this darker one out just because there's a new look I'm trying to go for. So, and then I got a new edge brush because the other one was all dirty. And then I got some edge control, so I can take this on the cruise because this is really small, and I can take this on the flights because it's travel size. So I should be good with this. And then I got me a little brush. So that's everything I got out of the oh no, that's not everything. Hold on. Okay, I got this anklet. I got this little ankle bracelet, y'all. I really wanted to wear an ankle bracelet, so I got this. I got that. And then I got this lip gel. So I've been looking for something for my lips that hydrates them. EOS is good. Now, don't get me wrong. I use EOS. But I wanted something with a little bit more shine. So maybe I can layer it on top of my EOS. And something that will still hydrate my lips. So this is some lip gel with vitamin E. We're going to test it out really quick as soon as I can get it open. Let's see. Okay. So this is what it is. Lip gel by NK. All right. I used NK stuff before. So I just haven't used this gel. So let's see how this gel looks. Oh yeah. Yep. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for something with a little bit more shine. So this is gonna go in my purse. But I'm gonna just put it in my bag for right now. But yeah, I really like how that looks. So I'm gonna get ready to head home. This was pretty much all the stops that I'm doing today. I'm about to go home, figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. Bae said him and Trent already ate, so it's really just me, what I gotta eat for dinner. I don't know what they ate. They probably just ate leftovers, but I don't really want no leftovers. And we have pizza in the freezer, so I'll probably pop that in the oven. But I'm gonna get ready to go. I'm probably gonna pick y'all back up when I get ready to pack. I don't know if I'm going to put this whole vlog together with me packing and everything. I probably will just do it all in one big vlog, and then the next vlog y'all see will be the cruise. So we'll probably do it that way. So when I go get my nails done, I'll pick y'all back up, and then when I get ready to pack, I'll pick y'all back up, unless anything goes on between that. All right, bye y'all. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. So as y'all just seen, we just got done eating at Applebee's. We had to eat. Me and Bae did not eat nothing this morning, and it's already 1:27. We have not eaten all morning. That was our first meal. Trin has. She had breakfast this morning, obviously, but me and Bae has not eaten. So it was pretty much time for Trin's lunch. So me and Bae decided to go out and just get something all together so all of us could eat something. So that's what we just did. We went to Applebee's, got us some good food. Now they are in the house. I'm about to leave back out so I can go get these nails done. These nails need to be done. As y'all can see, like, I don't know what kind of gel that last place used on my nails, but that junk peeled immediately, like a few days later. We have to go get new nails. I'm not going to the same place. We are going to a totally different place this time. hopefully they're great. We moved to a totally different area, so I cannot go to the same nail place that I used to go to because it's all the way where we used to live at, okay? And that place is like 45 minutes down the road, and I ain't making that drive just for some nails. So I'm gonna see what I can find over here. I think I found a pretty good place though, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna let them know about the gel peeling because I do not want that to happen. I want these nails to last for me, Bay, and Trans cruise. So I want these to last that long, so hopefully they'll be able to last that long. So we're gonna go there. I gotta get my toes done too, so we're just gonna get a whole full, you know, manicure pedicure thing done today. I'm inside of our parking garage. I'm about to get ready to leave out now. After that, I do need to come back home so I can start packing. I gotta do Trent's hair because she's gonna be going with my mom while I'm away, so that way Bay can just have his time at the house too. I gotta do Trent's hair, pack her a little bag, and then pack my suitcase. I may go ahead and do that now when I come back. Go ahead and get my packing out the way because my sister will be here like around 1 or 2 in the morning, and we got to go immediately to the airport because our boarding time is at 6 a.m. and we stay about 45 minutes from the airport, about 30-45 minutes depending on traffic, but we stay about 30 to 45 minutes from the airport, so we're gonna have to leave immediately when she gets here. We're gonna try to get up, go to the airport real early. As soon as she get here, I may not even go to sleep tonight. I'll probably just sleep when we get on the cruise in the morning. Probably give me a little nap in on the flight, but yeah, we gotta fly out here real early in the morning. So I gotta get all of this stuff done. I may try to sneak in a nap today after I get everything done. I should be able to sneak in a little nap. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get my nails done. And I'm just showing y'all what these look like before. My toes are white right now, but I think I'm gonna get French tips. Y'all, so a few hours have went by. I packed, as y'all just seen. I just got done packing up. Right now it is 10:34, so I have a few hours to get a few hours of sleep. So that's what I'm about to do. I done took a shower. I got on my pajamas, y'all, and I'm ready to lay down. But I'm about to go ahead and end this video, y'all. I am going to be picking y'all up tomorrow when we get ready to head out. My sister should be here around 1. Well, she gets off at 1, so she'll probably be here like at 2-ish, and then we're gonna head immediately to the airport. So I'm gonna pick y'all up around that time, but I'm about to go ahead and get some sleep, y'all, so that way I'll be well rested by the time 3 a.m. comes. I hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog, all right, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.